Hello everyone, welcome to English grammar lesson. In this video, I'm going to talk about present continuous tense. In order to help you to understand this material, I'm going to divide the discussion into two parts. The first part of the discussion is about the form of present continuous tense, and the second part of the discussion is about the usage of present continuous tense. Okay, now let's talk about the form of present continuous tense. To form present continuous tense, we need subject plus be plus verb plus ing. Let's take a look at the examples. The first sentence, he is working. We start the sentence with subject and verb be. In this case, the subject is he. For he, she, it, we use be verb is. And we add ing at the end of the verb work. He is working. The next example, they are dancing. For subject they, we, you, we use be verb are, and we add ing at the end of verb dance. They are dancing. The third example, we are cooking. We use be verb are because the subject is we. For we, they, you, we make use be verb are, and we add ing at the end of verb cook. We are cooking. The last example, Mary is singing. The subject pronouns for Mary is she. Again, for subject she, he, it, we use be verb is, and we add ing at the end of verb sing. Mary is singing. Now let's discuss how to form a negative sentence. To form negative sentence, we simply add not after be. Let's take a look at the examples. The first example says, he is not working. We add not after be verb is. We use be verb is in this example because the subject is he. He is not working. The second example, they are not working. We put not after be verb are. We use be verb are in this sentence because the subject is they. They are not working. The third example, we are not cooking. We add not after be verb are. Why do we use be verb are? Because the subject is we. We are not cooking. The last example, Mary is not singing. The right subject pronoun for Mary is she. Therefore, we use be verb is and we add not to make negative. Mary is not singing. Now, how to form questions? We can form question with be verb and WH question. Let's take a look at the examples. The first example, is he working? To make question with be verb, we simply move be verb before the subject. In this sentence, the subject is he. Therefore, we use be verb is. Is he working? The answer could be yes, he is, or no, he is not. The second example, are they dancing? The subject of the sentence is they. Therefore, we use be verb are. Are they dancing? The answer could be yes, they are, or no, they aren't. The third example, what are we cooking? The same rule works when we ask question with question word like what or how. We simply move the verb before the subject. What are we cooking? The answer could be we are cooking some fish. The last example, how is Mary singing? In this sentence, we use the subject Mary. Mary is the same as she. Therefore, we use verb is and we put verb is before the subject Mary. How is Mary singing? The answer could be she is singing very well. Now you have good understanding about the form of present continuous tense. You know well how to make positive sentence, how to make negative sentence, and how to make interrogative sentence or question. Now let's move on to discuss about the usage of present continuous tense. The first usage of present continuous tense is that it is used for actions happening right now. This is the most common usage of present continuous tense. Let's look the examples. The first example, I am writing a letter. This action is happening right now. We start the sentence with subject I. Therefore, we use verb am and we add ing at the end of verb write. I am writing a letter. The second example, he is reading a novel. For subject he, she, or it, we use verb is and we add ing at the end of verb read. He is reading a novel. The next example, Rani and Rita are eating the cake. The subject pronoun for Rani and Rita is they. Therefore, we use verb are. Rani and Rita are eating the cake. The last example, my mother is cooking right now. The subject pronoun for my mother is she. Therefore, we use verb is and we add ing at the end of verb cook. My mother is cooking right now. The next usage for present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is also used for longer actions in progress. Let's look the examples. The first sentence, he is writing a novel this week. This week is a longer action in progress. The subject of the sentence is he. Therefore, we use verb is and we add ing at the end of verb write. Next, we are painting the wall of our house these days. These days are longer action in progress. The subject of the sentence is we, therefore we use verb are. The next sentence, John is studying for the exam. The subject pronoun for John is he, therefore we use verb is. And finally, Bob and Ted are working at the hospital. The subject pronoun for Bob and Ted are they. Therefore, we use verb are. The next usage for present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is also used for longer actions in progress. Let's look the examples. The first sentence, they are watching movie tonight. Tonight is near future. In this case, we have subject they. Therefore, we use verb are. and we add ing at the end of verb watch. They are watching movie tonight. The next sentence, we are going vacation in October. Again, October is near future. In this sentence, we have subject we. Therefore, we use verb are. Next, Tom is practicing guitar tomorrow. Tomorrow is used for action in the near future. The subject pronoun for Tom is he. Therefore, we use verb is. And finally, Mary is attending conference next week. Next week is near future. In this case, we have subjects Mary. The subject's pronoun for Mary is she. Therefore, we use verb is. Now you have learned a lot of things about present continuous tense. You have already understood about the form and the usage of present continuous tense. If you think that this video is useful for you, don't forget to give support to this channel by subscribe, like, and comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.